You know, you the boss, taking no days off. They may take shots, but they...
Before I start styling with this hair, I do want to note that my hair is was previously washed. I washed it 2 days ago, and these are the results of my wash routine. So if you want to know how I got this specific hairstyle that I'm working with, click the link right above. No styling products, and yet my hair is still defined. Yeah, I don't want to give too much details. So after this video, check that video out and let's get started. Okay, you guys, I am so excited to receive this product. Once I found out that Whitney released her own hair care line, I have been following her for about 7 years. When she first started her YouTube, I was like, there's somebody that's out there that has the same or similar hair texture like me. Let's talk about the product. I bought her Melanin Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend. I think you can use this for your, you can use this for your body. You can use it as a hot oil treatment, and you can use this as a sealant and massaging your scalp. It has argan oil, vitamin E, and biobab. I think that's how you pronounce it. And when I was reading it, please don't laugh, but as I was reading the description, I could hear her voice. So that may sound creepy, but like as I'm reading it to myself, I'm like, okay, Whitney, I feel like you're talking to me, which is really good because I feel like the description, the card stock that she has, I feel like it's very personable. I feel like her and her sister definitely added to the description, added their personality, which I like. It's not very generic, and it has her little signature on the back. So this is their long-lasting definition cream. This definitely smells like shea butter. It has shea butter, natural oil, and it says Melanin Twist Elongating Styling Cream. And again, it has, you know, her little note on the back. I don't want to read it. I want you guys to, you know, read it yourself and see what I was talking about, how it feels like she's talking to you. It says how to use as little or as much as needed. Massage styling cream into wet or dry hair, one section at a time, and style as desired. Use with your favorite leave-in conditioner. So, it smells so good. Now already the consistency is very thick. You can definitely tell that it is mixed with shea butter. It's not like too thick, but it's a very nice consistency if you do like thick products. It goes on very smoothly, very nice. It doesn't feel like, what should I say? It doesn't feel watery. I think it does have water as its main ingredient. Yes, it does have water as its main ingredient, so it doesn't feel like it's drenched or drowned out with water, and it's covering up the other, you know, important ingredients such as the oils and the shea butter that it does consist of. So it feels like it's a perfect blend, and like she noted, she spent years on creating this product, and you can definitely tell. And I already know I'm going to be using this. Like, I gotta support my girl. So I'm just gonna do a basic twist out. And how I like to define my twist out, I just twist, and as I'm twisting, I twist this way too. So I twist each individual strand to get that definition. And here's the true factor on if this product is going to give you shine. Once you're done twisting, you gotta notice, or you gotta look at your twist individually and see if it has that juicy look, that shine look. And I can tell it has that shine, that juicy look. Even the bottom is moisturized and there's no like hair sticking out, or it doesn't have that fuzziness to the bottom. Oh my gosh, it looks really good. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, can you guys tell? And after brushing it, it does feel like it's, you know, handling my strands. Now the twists are dry. It really didn't take too long. I think it's because the consistency of the product, like I said, is very thick. It's like a butter consistency, so it's not going to take too long. My twist is very moisturized. I'm going to insert some pictures in this video so you can see a close-up of how it looks. And let's go ahead and take the twist down. And already look at that definition. That is amazing. Let's continue. You know what? I forgot to use my Melanin Oil. I said I was going to use this to go ahead and take my twist down, and yeah, I forgot. I was just too excited. So I'm just going to apply this to my fingertips, rub it throughout my hair. These are my results. I'm very pleased with the product. I found that my twists were very easy to unravel as well as separate it where it naturally wants to separate. In comparison to other products, when I'm trying to separate the hair, it does get either stuck together or I lose that definition of my curl pattern, and I still have it. It's still, you know, looks very apparent. It looks like a, what is it called? A wash and go. I still have body, considering the fact that I did fluff my roots and I also fluffed some parts of the tips to give it that volume that I'm looking for. And it did consist some shine and sheen, and with adding the oil was not too heavy for my hair considering the porosity of my hair. My hair does take oil, so I felt like it wasn't weighing my hair down or anything of that nature. And yeah, that's all I have to say about this product. Again, I feel like I'm going to keep this in my hair regimen. I'm going to add this to my hair regimen, and I'm definitely going to use this oil. It smells really good. It's lightweight. It says it's multi-use, so I'm going to figure out what other ways I can use this oil. Whitney, you really did amazing. You outdid yourself. You and your sister, this is a stock card. You guys did so well for your first line, and I want to congratulate you guys. I am definitely proud and just amazed with how well this product goes with my hair. If you guys have any questions, please leave that down in the comments box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram at naturally_Izzy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.